Good day. My name is Mark J. Tumano and I'm currently affiliated with the Department of Education serving at Calasayan National High School. I reside in the North Brooksmont District, Division of Palawan. This presentation is submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirements for English 3-10-301, Advanced English for Academic Purposes. One of the major language shortcomings of this course is, as stated, NCHAP 1. Course description is the development of oral communication skills through an oral research presentation. This recorded video presentation is intended to meet the requirement, and that is the primary reason why I'm delivering this presentation today. My thesis statement is understanding how teachers' knowledge of the curriculum affects learning outcomes in TLA Grade 8 students. I present this with full confidence because the clearer teachers understand what they teach, its competences, standards, sequence, and intents, the more effectively they can guide students towards mastery. I choose this topic because I have personally observed how TLA teachers differ in the way they deliver lessons, and how these differences often stem from varying levels of curriculum familiarity. Some teachers present lessons with clarity, structure, and confidence, while others struggle to connect learning competencies with actual classroom activities. In my own experience as a teacher and observer, I have seen that students tend to perform better, participate more actively, and demonstrate stronger skill proficiency when teachers deeply understand the curriculum. These observations motivated me to explore this relationship more truly because I have believed it greatly influences the quality of technical and vocational education at the junior high school level. If given the opportunity, I would like to examine these variables further through a complete research study. However, at this moment, my primary intention is to present this thesis statement for approval and to determine whether the topic is worthy of academic consideration. I firmly believe it is because understanding how teachers' curriculum knowledge shapes performance goes beyond theory. It affects real classrooms, real skill, and real futures. The importance of this proposal lies in its potential contribution. Should I be granted the chance to pursue it? This study could provide insight to improve teacher training, strengthen curriculum alignment, and enhance the overall delivery of TLE subjects. It may also help school identify gaps in curriculum implementations and offer evidence-based recommendation to raise student competency levels. In the end, I am confident that this topic is not only relevant but necessary, especially as TLE continues to play a vital role in preparing learners for both academic tracks and technical skills. Recent scholarly work highlights the critical role of teachers' curriculum knowledge in shaping student learning, particularly in skill-based subjects like technology and livelihood education, or TLE. According to Yazan et al. And Villegas year 2022, research on teacher quality consistency emphasizes that education must demonstrate both content mastery and curriculum literacy to effectively facilitate learning. Parian year 2022 also notes that continuous training and updating pedagogical preparation to strengthen teachers' competency and instructional confidence, leading to improved classroom performance. Shulman's framework, supported by the studies of Yazan and colleagues, stresses that teachers who understand the alignment between learning competences and instructional strategies can design more coherent and meaningful lessons. Likewise, recent findings by Liu on pedagogical practices in TLE indicate that teachers rely on combinations of curriculum knowledge and practical wisdom to creatively address classroom challenges. Mendoza's work aligns with research highlighting the necessity for targeted professional development programs focused on curriculum alignment, standards comprehensions, and outcome-based instruction. Local studies by Leopardo and Posadas further demonstrate that strengthening teachers' skills through mentorship, collaboration, and reflective practice enhances their ability to deliver TLE competencies effectively. Local studies by Leonardo and Posadas further demonstrate that strengthening teachers' skills through mentorships, collaborations, and reflective practice enhances their ability to deliver TLE competencies effectively. Literature on teacher preparations in TLE, such as the work of Leyes and colleagues, states that consistent study and mastery of lessons content remains essential to ensure readiness and instructional clarity. Meanwhile, Callao and Blanco and Tingson emphasizes the importance of using varied instructional materials, identifying it as a factor that improves student understanding and engagement, particularly when teachers possess strong mastery of their subject matter. And specialized TLA programs such as Concrete, Aquino's recent work shows the parental involvement enriches students' hands-on learning skill applications beyond the classroom. Lagrada and Arroyo's research on student performance and culinary education reveals that confidence, experience, and teacher support significantly influence teachers' skill development. Sipo Vida highlights the importance of developing employability skills aligned with industry standards to prepare learners for the global workforce. De La Cruz also notes that the students' motivation in TLE increases when teachers demonstrate mastery and provide strong academic support. Despite these opportunities, Flores and colleagues acknowledge that teachers continue to face challenges as they struggle to balance multiple expectations while ensuring they possess adequate curriculum knowledge to meet adverse learner needs. As I close this presentation, I return to the central claim that serve as the foundations of this proposal, understanding how teachers' knowledge of the curriculum affects learning outcomes in TLE grade 8 students. I firmly believe that when educators fully understand what the curriculum requires, its competencies, progression, and intended outcomes, students receive clearer instruction, stronger engagement, and more meaningful learning experiences. If this thesis statement is approved, I plan to conduct this study in the public secondary schools in North Brooks Point, a setting I consider most suitable because the teachers and students in this area possess the specific characteristics needed to examine the relationship between curriculum knowledge and student performance accurately and authentically. To summarize the value of this work, I borrow the words of John Dewey: education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. This quote reminds us that understanding the curriculum is not merely a requirement for teaching, it is commitment to shaping students' futures with clarity, purpose, and direction. Thank you very much for listening. I welcome your suggestions and recommendations as I continue improving this study.